What do you do if you get into a dispute with a client? This is a tricky one. So often it relates to non-payment. So I have two pieces of advice in relation to that. There's two methods, I suppose, of dealing with it. One is always taking money up front. If you always get money up front, then there can't be a payment dispute. Very simple. My own firm, I used to let people pay things off. I got stung when somebody didn't pay me $8,000 that they owed. Most of that, I think $6,000 of that was a government fee that I had paid out on behalf of my friend who I trusted. The company went bankrupt and then she ended up not paying me at all. So after I got stung like that, I decided everybody pays up front. If you can't afford it, you can pay it off, and when you finish paying off the last part, I'll provide the services. And since then, I haven't had any problems, except for one person who I didn't do that with, and this is my second tip. Again, she took my services. She said she was going to pay in 2 lots. She paid the first lot, and then the second lot, she just didn't pay. And I'd done the work and provided the services. And I've discovered a very good debt collector in Springfield called 3D Debt Collections. And I've referred a lot of my clients to them. And what they do is they communicate with the debtor and they try and work out a payment plan and actually get you your money back. And they are very good. And my second bad debt ever in my business, they're getting her to pay it off slowly but surely. So my 2 tips are take money up front or get yourself a really good debt collector. The debt collector, you might need to do a bit of shopping around for and make sure you find one that's got a good success rate, that don't charge too much money, because when they collect money, obviously they're doing you a service and you have to pay towards that. The third and final tip is to tighten up your terms and conditions, the basis on which you do work for your clients, the basis on which you may give a refund, whether you've got a non-refundable deposit. If you've got good, secure, solid terms, you're much less likely to lose out on money that your clients owe you. And I have a client who, their client sued them for return of a deposit, took them to the small claims court, QCAT. But the contract that I drafted for my client was held to be rock solid. The deposit was a non-refundable deposit of $2,000. And there the court said, no, the contract was clear. The non-refundable deposit means just that, non-refundable, and my client didn't have to refund it. So having the rock-solid terms and conditions can also give you certainty and security in knowing that you don't have to pay back a non-refundable deposit, or you can collect on outstanding monies. So good luck with it. Personally, I have found just getting the money up front saves a lot of headache, a lot of stress, and that has been one of the best things I've done in my own business. So my name is Cathryn Warburton, and I am the Legal Lioness.